Black holes can also act as cosmic engines, driving the evolution of galaxies by influencing the motion of stars and gas within them. For example, the presence of a supermassive black hole at the center of a galaxy can cause gas and stars to orbit it in a disk-like structure known as an accretion disk. As the gas in this disk spirals inward towards the black hole, it heats up and emits radiation. This radiation can exert a powerful force on the surrounding gas, driving outflows of material that can have a significant impact on the evolution of the galaxy as a whole. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more space